Warning. Okay, here we are again, back for episode 6, I think this is. And I gotta do something about all this nasty junk that's down in there. So I'm gonna clean this out with some window cleaner. But of course I'm gonna shut the lights off first. And then get all these shades cleaned up. Because I'm gonna start installing glass. So I'm gonna make sure I can get all these sealed off. And then, yeah, once these are sealed off, get glass installed. And then once all the glass is installed, then I can start piling all that junk in here so I can start working on the north side of the shop. Well, I have 3 sheets of glass installed, sealed up, and cleaned, but I'm out of these. I just figured out, fancy mirror clips. I just figured out I need 2 of these per sheet of glass, and I only have 1 left, so 17 more light fixtures to go. I need 2 per 17 times 2 minus 1, 33. I need 33 more of those. Oh man. So I'm gonna go make a run and get some more of those. I also completely cleaned them out of these, but I think I have enough of those. Oh, did I show you guys this? I got these guys installed too. And another one over here. Yeah, I got that one installed too. Okay, taking a little break from the light glass because I'm out of clips. But I do have plenty of glass, and I do have this opening in the mixing room that's gonna need a sheet of glass into it. The only problem is the glass, there it is. The glass is 22.5 wide, or tall in this case. So the space, the opening is 22.25. Unfortunately, so that's not gonna fit, but I think I have a solution. So I'm gonna measure from there to there, and that is 4.5. So half of that is gonna be 2.25. So I'm gonna cut a big slot all the way along it, 2.25, end to end, and then I should be able to just drop the glass in and then stand it upright, and then I'll be able to put my trim on there and stuff. Okay, so the taco window is gone and the glass is in. Just need to finish framing it up. Yeah, it's gonna look good. Okay, well, the taco window is all finished up now. It's got the glass in, got the last of the trim on this side, so of course it still needs mudding and stuff, just like everything. I put that tape there just so in case someone comes to help me, they'll know that there's glass in there now. Someone comes to help me, that's funny. So the mixing room is fully mudded up. I also changed out those lights because they were 41K and I put in some 850s. So It's all mudded up. I was hoping to sand it out today and maybe even get it masked off for paint, but that's not gonna happen because it's still a little bit squishy in there. So I gotta hold off, and then once it's all done, then I'll be able to sand it. And then there's a few little spots that I need to redo, but that's fine. It's already looking better. So instead of doing that today, I have all this diamond plate, and I've been looking forward to doing this. I'm gonna have that pole, and that pole all wrapped in diamond plate. So I think I'm gonna do that today. Maybe. We'll see. Nine cutoff wheels because 9 cuts. So it was 1 cutoff wheel per cut, but I have almost all the sheets done. It's a new day today. I think I'm gonna start drilling some holes, countersink, and I wanna get this one pole done because I think that'll inspire me to push forward. I've got everything cut out except the sides that I need cut out for that one back there. But first, while I was getting all this cleaned up and getting my little table ready to drill all the holes, I noticed that I still got this scrap here. Okay, well that looks pretty good. We got like 12 feet of diamond plate on that edge there. It looks all right. It's got a little stretched out when I was beating that edge into it, but that's just what happens. Unless I had like a 12-foot sheet metal brake, you wouldn't get these little wows in it. But because I don't, I was beating it into shape on the edge of that table. So naturally it gets a little curve into it, and then whenever it gets a little curve, you get the metal stretching, and then that's what happens. There's the first one done. That looks awesome. There's your before, and there's your after. That looks great. Not bad. Not bad at all. Go, all 3 of them done. Looks awesome, as well as my little corner guard on the side of the mixing room. Pretty sweet. So I didn't film it because it's not that exciting, but yesterday I have every single piece of glass installed all the way around the booth. So the whole booth is now done. So yesterday I had Mrs. Slick with me, and she was down here sanding away all the mud in the mixing room. So this is looking pretty good. All the mud is sanded to about there, and it feels pretty good. Not bad for a first time. The mixing room has been fully mudded and sanded, and it is pretty much ready to be masked off and painted. So I'm gonna try and start that today. What I did yesterday is this. So all the outside walls on the outside of the booth are completely mudded, as well as that little mezzanine there, mudded the whole way. So that's ready for sanding too. But today I'm gonna focus on the mixing room. I'm not gonna film much because it's such a tight little space in there, but I'll give you guys little progress updates as I work. So when I'm done masking, it's gonna look a little like this. So the room's totally masked off. I have my beautiful Asian-inspired paper lanterns up there. Those are gonna be for sale on the merchandise website, by the way. So yeah, this room's all masked off. Got the floor masked off, and all the outlets are masked off too. So it is ready for paint. So I'm gonna get going. Well, here we have it, folks. Mixing room all painted up, looking beautiful and white. There's a crazy echo in here, but that's all right. Wow, that rhymes. So yeah, I'm all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that's a wrap for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. I would greatly appreciate it. Stay tuned, next episode, I'm hoping to get the whole south side of the shop done, so we'll catch you guys then. Thanks for watching.